Boss of your.
Boss of your. So, poem today is called My Typewriter by Edward Dyson. It's probably my 8th take. I have a trim typewriter now, they tell me none is better. It makes a pleasing rhythmic row and neat is every letter. I tick out stories by machine, dig puns and gags and verses keen, and lay them off in a manner slick. It is so easy and it's quick, yet it falls short, I'm afraid, of giving satisfaction. This making literature by aid of scientific traction. For often I can't fail to see the dancing runs away from me. It bolts and do whatever I may, I cannot hold the runaway. It is not fitted with a break, and endless are my verses, nor any yarn I start to make appropriately terses. 'Tis plain that this machine-made screed is fit for bot machines to read, so wanted as an iron sensor, a good sound second-hand condenser. Yeah! So yeah, again, that was My Typewriter by Edward Dyson.